All right, so let's work on number 4 for the Accuplacer TSI test. It says if 7p, so if 7p minus 4 is equal to 8, what is the value of p? It wants to know the value of p. Well, that means that we need to solve for p. So anytime you have to solve for a variable, you want to get that variable alone. The variable is going to be your letter, okay? To solve for a variable, we need to get everything off of this side that's with it. If I'm subtracting 4, the only way to move it to the opposite side is to do the opposite operation. So to move to the opposite side, we're going to use the opposite operation that's going on. Here, since I am subtracting 4, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Now I have 7p is equal to 12. I'm multiplying 7 times p because anytime you have a letter and a number touching, that means you're doing multiplication. So 7 times p is equal to 12. I'm going to do the opposite, which is divide by 7 on both sides. That's going to reduce down to 7 divided by 7 is a 1. I don't have to write the 1. If it helps you understand, you can. And my answer would be p is equal to 12/7. And that would be answer choice letter C. All right, so that was number 4. Let's do another one of those. I'm just going to make one up. So still working on number 4. So let's say we have 3x minus 6 is equal to 16. We want to find the value of x now. So the value of x means that we need to find out what x is equal to. We want to get everything away from this side of x so we can get x by itself. I'm going to go ahead and add 6 to both sides because that's the opposite of a -6. And I do that to make a 0 pair. That's the only way I can get rid of it. 3x is equal to 16 plus 6, which is 22. I'm multiplying here, so I'm going to do the opposite by dividing. 3 divided by 3, x is equal to 22/3. It doesn't reduce or simplify to anything less, so I'll leave it like that. We'll do one more. Let's say I have 4x plus 4 is equal to 18. Still trying to get that x alone on one side of the equal sign. I'm going to minus 4 on both sides. 4 minus and positive 4 and negative 4 makes a 0. So I have 4x is equal to 14. Divide both sides by 4. I have x is equal to 14/4 has a common factor of 2. So I'm going to take out that common factor of 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that will be my final answer.